morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something super cool because I am currently in Savannah visiting my husband, and I am sitting in our master bedroom in our new apartment. So I decided to film a empty apartment tour. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. As soon as you walk in, you're right into the floor/mudroom area. You can see the living room and the kitchen. This is actually maybe about the same size as our current living room, but with the difference that we can actually put the couch on this side of the wall, and on the opposite end we can put the TV, as opposed to how we have it back home where the TV is facing this way, couch is on this side, and the chimney is on this side. So that's why we had to have a weird setup. But right here, it's not going to be that way, which I totally love. But down here is the kitchen, and you can see that there is a lot more space, a lot more cabinet space, and of course a dishwasher. I've never used a dishwasher in my life, so that's gonna be something new for me to learn. If not, I'll still keep washing dishes, as you can see, by hand still. But I definitely love that there's more cabinet space, because back in our current place, it is very limited, and the space, our kitchen is actually maybe like this big, and then it's the living room area. So the fact that we can have this much space is incredible, especially if we have guests coming over or family members. Here we have more cabinet space, and I believe that's like wine glass racks up there. We can store wine if we buy any. But right here is the fridge, and over here we have an electric stove. I'm not a big fan of electric stoves just because they take forever to like heat up, but I guess it's just a minor inconvenience for us right now. Here we have the pantry, and it's kind of like a walk-in pantry because it is super big, you guys. Like, look at all this space. We're probably not going to use all of it, but the fact that there is this much space, it's pretty cool. And over here we have what would be the laundry unit, but right now we don't have a washer or dryer, so Miguel just uses it as some storage space. But if we were to decide to get a dryer and washer, this is where it would go. And out here, this door leads to the patio outside. Okay, lock it just like this. Here we go. So this is the patio out here. Pretty small, but it's all right. If we wanted to grill something, at least we have a little space that we can do it on. And I don't know if you guys can see, but like back there, I think it's like a track or some sort of field area. So that's pretty cool if I ever wanted to go running or just get some exercise. It's really close by the house, so that's cool. And each unit has its own patio, so if you're in an upstairs unit, that's kind of like what it looks like. If you're in a level unit, then this is what your patio would look like. Let me secure this. Okay. I'm kind of thinking that I may hang up a few things here just to like not have the wall so bare, but I don't know. Do you guys have any ideas on what I should probably put up here? Let me know in the comment section below, because there is a lot more wall space here. Over here we have the bathroom. This would be Riley's bathroom and any guests. Nothing out of the ordinary right here, you guys, just like a plain old simple bathroom. And over here we have, I think this would be like kind of like a bathroom storage unit. We have right here like a vacuum and some other things in here. We have paper towels and toiletries, but this is something that we did not have. I should probably still say present. We still don't have in our current apartment, so it's cool that we have this closet right here. This would be Riley's bedroom. It is so cool to actually say that Riley is going to have a bedroom, guys, because she's been sleeping with us in our bedroom since she was born. So the fact that she has her own room now is amazing. Her bedroom has 2 windows, but it's as if she didn't have any, because as you'll see once I open up the blinds, the view is blocked by some stairs. So yeah, there's really not much going on here because it's all blocked by the stairs for the upstairs unit. So these might just stayed shut. And over here we have the closet for this bedroom, which I'm just going to say right now is going to be my closet, just because Miguel needs the closet in the master bedroom, and you'll see why in a few minutes. But yeah, this is the closet in this room, and probably Riley will be using a little bit of it, but because she has like those drawers already, she probably will not have to use all of this right here. So for right now, this is going to be my closet, and if there's anything that I need to hang up for her, like those nice dresses that people give her as gifts, or any clothing items that need to be hanged, then they'll go right here as well. For her room, I don't know, do we still call an infant, or well, I guess my baby now is a toddler, but do we call toddlers' room like nurseries? I don't know. But for her room, I have no idea how I would like to decorate it. I'm thinking maybe a Parisian theme, but I have no idea what to do. Like, there's this big wall space right here, and another one right here. So I don't know what I should decorate her room, what theme I should make it. If you guys have any suggestions, leave it in the comment section down below. Now heading over to the master bedroom. Here we have the master bathroom. Nothing, you know, extraordinary about it, just a plain, simple bathroom that we have going on right here. And over here we have the master bedroom. Closet is right here. We have a window right here as well. And this just looks to the outside from where the patio is. But as you can probably tell, like, the room is really small for a master bedroom. We can probably fit 2 nightstands, one right there and the other on this side, but we can't fit like that big I don't know what you call it, drawers, chest that we have back in our apartment here, because it would take up all of this space here. So probably maybe a TV stand with like some drawers can definitely go here for some storage in this room. Now for the closet, let me turn on the light because this is a really cool feature that this master bedroom has. This closet has a light, but as you can see, Miguel has all of his clothes here, you know, his like civilian outfits, his uniforms, like his boots and other shoes going on right here. So he definitely needs to have this closet, as you can see, because he has all of his clothes here, and something with like an easy access, just so that when he does get up early in the morning, he can just grab his outfits and uniform and go. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell so you guys are notified when I post a new video. And as always, thank you guys for watching and for showing me your love and support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!